Good evening. Welcome to Vogel's Music Night, our Christmas program. I would like to just go through a few things with everybody so everyone knows a little bit about what's going on. First of all, for you kindergarten parents who have not been to a music program, you're in for a real treat. We do an excellent job, and I say we, and all I do is do this. But the teachers do an excellent job. Ms. Fillingham, you're going to see a very, very quality program, and we're very proud of the work that we do there. We have Pup Productions here, and as you filed in, you may have watched the video from last year's program. They will film the entire program. They are on sale for you if you have interest. After the program, you can stop by and talk to them. They have forms that you can fill out, etc. If you, the reason we do that is because, as you can see with the crowd, it's very difficult, even if you have your own camera, to find a spot in a good location to be able to film your child. And so they ensure that they get everybody that's in the program and do a good job of it. So it's not about making money, it's simply about providing a service to you. Also, I will open the back door and I'll open this door so that if you need to leave the auditorium for any reason, if you'll please do it through the back. That way we don't have to worry about cutting in front of cameras or in front of anybody else, so that everybody can see. The kindergarten students will perform first. However, they will be in the finale. So I just wanted to alert the kindergarten parents, once you see that they've done their few songs, they are not done. They'll actually be coming down on the risers and they will participate in the finale. So just kind of hang in. And when we do finish, we will send the children back, the kindergarten children, back to their homerooms so that the teachers and I know that you picked them up. That way we know that they're safe and everything's good to go. The last thing I'll ask, with these bright lights, you see me keep walking up because I can't see but about 3 feet in front of me. I ask you one more favor. Please do not holler out at the children or wave. They're not going to see you anyway. And obviously that would be interfere with the program, and the cameras will pick up that. So I'd appreciate it if you'd do me that favor. At this point, we're going to get underway with An American Christmas.
Welcome one and all to another Vogel holiday program. Have we got more songs for you? However, before the choir continues to entertain you this evening, let's give another big round of applause to those awesome kindergarten classes under the direction of Mrs. Levin and Mrs. Stevens. A lot of us remember our first performance at Vogel. We were really nervous, but Mom and Dad, look at us now.
Happy holidays, family and friends. This evening is a very special night because we are celebrating two things with music, the holiday season and the wonderful country in which we live. The holidays have been celebrated for a very long time, but some of the ways we have celebrated have changed over the years.
The reasons our celebrations have changed is because our world has changed. The world we live in today is very different than it has been at any other time in the history of our planet. One reason our world is so different is that we now have the ability to communicate with each other almost instantly.
Telephones, radios, television, and computers are electronic wonders that let us do this. Cars, trucks, trains, and planes are critical parts to our neural existence. We are able to travel just about anywhere in the world in a short amount of time than ever before. We are even able to travel to the moon or in space thanks to modern technology.
Needless to say, all of this is wonderful. In many ways, it has made the world smaller and more accessible. You could say that modern technology has its advantages and its disadvantages. For example, anyone who can afford it can advertise his goods or services to anyone, anywhere, at any time. Of course, this is good for business, but sometimes it can be a little bit annoying.
And if she doesn't like it, she can always exchange it for a better present. Merry Christmas.
Boy, can you believe it? There are Christmas decorations in Rural King even before Halloween.
Are you kidding?
Nope. I went in there to get some spare parts for the sleigh, and I saw them with my own eyes. Of course, people thought I was one of those moving displays, and I had to get out of there fast.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Sometimes all this hoopla takes the fun out of it all. Well, we better get going or it won't be any fun pulling that sleigh. I'm only pressing about 500 pounds now. Well, how's your speed coming?
Well, I've got to lose a few pounds first, and then bulk up. All this extra weight is slowing me down. Speaking of extra baggage, unfortunately, I think Santa's a little bit bigger than last year, and that's not going to help us at all.
Hey, why don't we go walk out to some music? That sounds like fun. Hey, wait a minute. Who's missing? Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen.
Bet he's boogieing again. That's what keeps him in shape. Maybe we should try it.
Hey, Blitzen! You know Dasher and Dancer, Prancer and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, but do you know Blitzen? Do you know Blitzen? He's a boogie woogie reindeer, and he boogies all day. You know Dasher and Dancer, Prancer and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, but do you know Blitzen? Do you know Blitzen? He's a boogie woogie reindeer, and he boogies all day. He's some kind of fool. When the season is Yule, he boogies away. While he pulls on a sleigh, he's some kind of fine, and his moves are divine. He boogies a lot with the rhythm he's got. You know Dasher and Dancer, Prancer and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, but do you know Blitzen? Do you know Blitzen? He's a boogie woogie reindeer, and he boogies all day. He's a boogie woogie reindeer, and he boogies all day. He's a boogie woogie reindeer, and he boogies all day. Do you know Blitzen? Yeah!
I hate it when we get excited.
You know, that was really cool when the reindeer worked together. They not only worked together, they worked out together. Wouldn't it be nice if everyone could and would work together and just try to get along?
Yeah, no more name calling, no more animosity, and no more hatred. Just tolerance, compassion, and understanding from all people. Since adults are so busy with their jobs and families, maybe it should start with us.
Of all the holiday traditions that come to mind this time of year, the one that most strikes fear into the hearts of mortal men is
Fruitcake!
We're not talking about the edible kind your mother makes.
Oh, no!
This fruitcake is normally store-bought and comes in a colorful tin with some impossibly cheerful scene on it.
Oh yeah, the packaging is really quite lovely. But have you ever tried to lift one of these tins when it's delivered to your front door? These fruitcakes are the reason parcel delivery companies have weight limits on what can be shipped.
Further, having noticed this fruitcake is usually the last thing to be eaten, if it's eaten at all. It's mostly because all the better tasting foods are consumed, and it's the only one remaining.
Like the pyramids of Egypt, these fruitcakes have seemed to have been around since the beginning of time. Everlasting fruitcake is the embodiment of this idea. It has a down-home country feel that we hope you like, even if you don't like fruitcake.
What you're about to hear is by no means the opinion of the choir director and quality singing normally expected of the Vogel choir.
A dessert has come to our family. A fruitcake with resolve to stay. We've offered every board to take it, but can't seem to give it away. We gave it to Henry, our neighbor. He gave it to Martha on the bus. Then Martha, she took it to Freddie, and Freddie brought it back to us. It's an everlasting fruitcake. Just as soon as it's gone, it will reappear. Though we've done our best to get rid of it, it shows up at our house each year. We figured if we could not eat it, its walnuts and eggs were kaput. It's so rich you would not believe it, so please don't drop it on your foot. We sent it to Norway last summer. We put it into a big sack. I guess there was not enough postage, and we got our old fruitcake back. It's an everlasting fruitcake. Just as soon as it's gone, it will reappear. Though we've done our best to get rid of it, it shows up at our house each year. We tossed it into our big culture. We backed over it with our car. We ran over it with our mower. That fruitcake was not even scarred. We figured it must be resistant. Its toughness must be pretty great. So we turned it into a football that doubles as a paperweight. It's an everlasting fruitcake. Just as soon as it's gone, it will reappear. Though we've done our best to get rid of it, it shows up at our house each year. Yes, it's an everlasting fruitcake. Just as soon as it's gone, it will reappear. Though we've done our best to get rid of it, it shows up at our house each year. I wish it didn't show up every year. Yes, it shows up at our house each year.
Son, here, please.
Not again!
Whoa, that fruitcake is something else. You know there are a lot of funny and strange things that happen during the holiday season.
But there are also some pretty wonderful things, too, like what we sang about in Armor and Living in a New World. There are an awful lot of nice things to be said about the holidays. The whole idea of giving and sharing time with family and loved ones is becoming more and more of a universal focus for all of us, no matter what we celebrate.
This next tune has an easygoing country style and is filled with words that are near and dear to our hearts. There is no better place to be than Christmas in America. Come on down, line dancers, and share your talent with us as we sing.
Hey guys, country is cool, but nothing is more American than swing. Why don't we swing into the season?
I bet everyone knows this next song. They just might not know it our way, which is cool.
Sing along if you can. Hit it, sir.
Bells on bobtail that was fun. We've had a lot of fun tonight, haven't we? You know, we really are lucky to be able to celebrate the holidays in a free country. We have our crazy sale seasons, our everlasting fruitcake, our boogieing reindeer, our wonderful American traditions, and our swinging hot choir.
Man, we've got it all. That includes you, our parents, family, and friends who are with us tonight, and those who couldn't make it because of work or other commitments. Yes, we are just children, but we know what would make a great gift for everyone. Let us sing for you our most meaningful song, and we hope it conveys our wish and instills a warm feeling in your heart as you listen.
Thank you all for coming this evening and sharing your time with us here at Vogel. We have had a great time entertaining you, and we hope you had a great time listening to us. And now for our traditional Vogel Holiday Program finale. Kindergartners, please stand up and join us in shout.
Join the celebration. Join in all the fun. Share the jubilation. Christmas has begun. When we reach to each other, Christmas comes alive. Look around, you will see it. The Spirit will arrive, and you can shout. It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. So shout. It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for letting us be a part of your holiday, and thank you for being here with your children. It's been great. Mrs. Levin and Mrs. Stieber and I thank you from the bottom of our hearts for working with with your children. Thank you.
Raise your hands together. Raise your heart and voice. Christmas Day is coming. Sing it and rejoice. When we reach to each other, Christmas comes alive. Look around, you will see it. The Spirit will arrive, and you can shout. It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. So shout. It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. Shout. It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. So shout. It's the time of the year. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. Christmas is coming, it's just about here. Christmas is coming. Shout!
Oh, how about that? Thank you very much. Another round of applause for our kindergarten singers. And our 4th and 5th grade choir. We're going to go on and take the kindergartners off to the homerooms while I still have you. Could I have the 4th and 5th grade teachers out on stage or behind the scenes? This is not my idea, it's Mrs. Fillingham's. Please come out. How about a round of applause for the 4th grade teachers who are helping us? And last but not least, our vocal music teacher, Mrs. Mary Fillingham. Again, thank you very much for coming. Have a safe ride home. And gentlemen, I told you I'd have you home by kickoff. You're going to make it. Thank you.